Pod 3's vitals holding steady. Heart rate's a little low, but within range.
Last shipment was twitchier. This one barely flinched.
Sedation's balanced better now. Keeps them calm all the way through fitting.
Good. Less stress means smoother fabric readings.
Heart rate steady. Coat density matches spec.
Tag reads A07. Uploading.
Good. Bring in the arm for the fit test.
Copy.
Fiber density's holding steady. This one will give us another 6 meters easy.
Good. The Weave Lab wants the next run by noon.
I'll flag it for priority. How's the coat prototype shaping up?
Softer than merino, tougher than Kevlar. People upstairs are ecstatic.
Then let's keep them happy.
Heart rate steady, oxygen saturation at 98.
Copy. Micro tremor in the digits, logging it.
Neural link secure, preparing for next phase.
Gates cycling, bring them through.
Forearm reading is steady at 42.9, locking the data.
Copy. Chest sensor attached, signal is clean.
Heart rate 72, no spike.
Moving to the next unit. Keep the harness lights on green.
Grid lines are holding. Surface elasticity reads at 92%.
Feels like woven merino, only denser. Any abnormalities?
None so far. Fiber density is uniform, luminescence within spec.
Good. We'll harvest the digital pattern for the run in the morning.
Copy that. He seems calm.
He knows the drill.
Color shift stable. Thread integrity at 98%.
Vital signs holding. Growth metrics are ahead of schedule.
Look at him track the projection. It's learning every cycle.
Keep the data stream open. This one feels different.
Grid stabilizing. Holding at 95% coverage.
Copy. Sweeping the left knee now. Knees clear, moving up the calf.
Chest sweep commencing. Mesh complete. Rotating platform.
Back scan green.
Got it. Jacket prototype generating.
Harness polish engaged. Scan reading.
Seam integrity at 99%. Leather finish checks
Good.
out.
Move it along.
Number 14 strap tension confirmed.
Copy. Mark for release.
Next unit coming up. Same spec.
You got fiber tension holding at 50 newtons. You're clear to draw another batch.
Copy that. Clamp re-engaging. Pull complete.
He's calm. Move forward with the scan.
Easy, boy. Green in 3, 2, got it. Collar stable.
Heart rate is stable. Oxygen saturation at 98. Tissue uptake's holding steady.
Good. Keep the interface warming. We'll start graft alignment when the sheet finishes curing.
One engaged. Tracking left shoulder ridge.
Laser grid locked. Proceed.
Cutting.
We're reading stable vitals. Keep it smooth.
Fragment drop 4 grams. Suction active.
Ridge trimmed. Retracting cutter.
Moving forward, slot 2 ready. Acknowledge.
Jacket weave at 80%. Hex mesh is aligning cleanly.
Reading optimal tension, initiating seam lumens.
Copy. Stability lock engaged.
Look at that reflectivity.
Final scan.
All green, garment complete.
Nice work, team.
Cutter 3 is through. Beam transfer in progress.
Copy. Vital signs on Alpha are stable. Heart rate 94, breathing steady.
Acknowledged. Guiding them to lift pad now.
Platform locked. Descent begins on your mark.
Mark. Look at the size of it. Still surreal every morning.
Thickness reads consistent. Hand it over here.
Got it.
Lay it flat, edge to edge.
Pore density looks perfect. Small bubble at 9 o'clock. Excellent. It's sealing.
All right, mark this one approved. Next sheet coming in.
Copy that. Keep it moving. Don't let it stall.
Tanks tight, pulling slack.
Watch the hip. There you go.
Another meter and you're clear. Keep that line steady.
Almost there, push!
Copy that. I'm flagging the variance on 6 needle temperature spiking again.
I'll reroute coolant. Keep your eyes on the big one. He's getting restless.
Acknowledge. Delta collar is primed if he steps out of line.
Let's hope it does.
Texture grid's consistent. Pore density within threshold, 98.2.
Copy. Log it and move them to fitting bay 3.
First subject just flinched.
Still in low state sedation. Keep scanning.